Are you looking for the best Anet 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best Anet 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anet ET4 Pro 3D Printer. The Anet ET4 Pro 3D printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device designed to cater to the needs of both enthusiasts and professionals in the field of 3D printing. This printer is an improved version of the original Anet ET4, featuring several upgrades and enhancements that contribute to its exceptional performance. One of the standout features of the Anet ET4 Pro is its all-metal frame, which enhances stability and durability during the printing process. This solid construction ensures that the printer can handle various 3D printing projects with precision and consistency. One of the notable advancements in the ET4 Pro is its ultra-silent operation. This is achieved through the integration of TMC 2208 stepper motor drivers, which significantly reduce noise levels during printing. This feature is particularly important for those who value a quiet working environment or wish to print in shared spaces. Number 2. Anet ET5X 3D Printer. The Anet ET5X 3D printer is a cutting-edge fused deposition modeling (FDM) 3D printer that offers advanced features and capabilities for enthusiasts, makers, and professionals. This printer boasts several notable features that make it a standout choice in the world of 3D printing. One of the key highlights of the Anet ET5X is its built-in auto bed leveling feature. This feature ensures that the 3D printing bed is perfectly leveled before each print job, which is crucial for achieving high quality and accurate prints. With this automation, users can save time and effort that would otherwise be spent manually leveling the bed. The printer also boasts a generous build volume, with a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. This spacious build area allows users to create larger and more intricate 3D prints, making it suitable for a wide range of projects and applications. Number 3. Anet A8 3D Printer. The Anet A8 3D printer is a popular fused deposition modeling (FDM) 3D printer that comes in the form of a DIY kit. This 3D printer is often considered an open-source alternative to some of the more expensive commercial options available in the market. It is based on the Prusa i3 design, a widely recognized and respected 3D printing platform. One of the key selling points of the Anet A8 is its suitability for 3D printing learners and makers who are interested in studying the intricacies of 3D printing technology. The DIY kit aspect of this printer allows users to assemble it from scratch, which can be a valuable learning experience, helping users understand how various components work together in a 3D printer. The Anet A8 is known for its affordability, making it an accessible choice for individuals who want to delve into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Despite its lower price point, it offers a reasonably sized build volume, allowing users to create a variety of 3D printed objects. However, it's worth noting that, as an open-source machine, the quality and performance of the Anet A8 may vary depending on user modifications and upgrades. Number 4. Anet ET4X 3D Printer. The Anet ET4X 3D printer is a notable addition to the world of fused deposition modeling (FDM) 3D printing technology. This printer is designed to offer users an accessible and versatile platform for creating three-dimensional objects from a variety of materials, making it a compelling option for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Anet ET4X is its integrated all-metal frame. This robust construction ensures stability during printing, which is crucial for achieving high-quality, precise prints. The use of an all-metal frame also contributes to the printer's durability, making it capable of handling long hours of operation. Another key advantage of the Anet ET4X is its DIY kit format. This means that users have the opportunity to assemble the printer themselves, providing valuable hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of its components and workings. The assembly process is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, making it accessible even to those who are new to 3D printing technology. Number 5. Anet A8 Plus 3D Printer. The Anet A8 Plus 3D printer is a notable addition to the world of 3D printing, offering an array of features that cater to both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. This DIY large 3D printer is an upgraded version of the popular Anet A8, known for its affordability and customization options. The A8 Plus moniker suggests an improved and enhanced 3D printing experience, and this overview will highlight its key features and capabilities. One of the standout features of the Anet A8 Plus is its all-metal frame. This robust and sturdy frame construction ensures greater stability during the printing process, reducing vibrations and enhancing print quality. The metal frame also contributes to the printer's durability and longevity. The A8 Plus boasts an impressive printing size of 300 by 300 by 350 mm, providing ample space for creating large and intricate 3D models. This generous build volume opens up a wide range of possibilities for users looking to produce substantial 3D prints.